Oh yeah, you said that new My Hero just dropped? Yeah, I'm actually gonna watch that right now. Alright then, I'll talk to you later. Alright.
Passing on a quirk or inheriting, it just doesn't make any sense to me. I've never heard anything like that before. Powers are supposed to be unique to each individual. Passing on a quirk or inheriting, it just doesn't make any sense.
Hey boy, I'm finna head to the store. You want something?
ジュゲムジュゲム五行のすり切れカイジャリ水魚の水魚松雲来松風来松クーネルところに住むと油工事のブラ工事パイポパイポパイポの修理ガンのグーリンダイのポンポコピーポンポコナーの超救命の超助
What the hell are you watching, boy? I'm just watching my show. What is this shit?
行くぞジュゲムジュゲム五行のすり切れカイジャリ水魚の水魚松雲来松風来松クーネルところに住むとパイポパイポの修理ガンのグーリンダイのポンポコピーポンポコナーの超救命の超助ジュゲム五行の
Study calmly Woods moves.
クーネルところに住むところに油工事ブラ工事パイポの修理ガンのグーリンダイのポンポコピーしたかんな
Can you even understand that junk on there? Sound like a bunch of Baba Ganoush to me. Baba Ga what? Exactly. Hello, how are you? I'll be right back. Hey boy, you happen to see my keys by the shit? What the hell is? Whoa! What are you watching? Dad, what do you be watching when I ain't here? Listen. Listen to me and listen to my voice only. All right, Dad. Look. I don't even know what that is. Okay, this show has like 80-something episodes, almost 90, and this is like the small clip. Let me ask you something real quick. All right, now. All right. Let me ask you something right now. All right, Pimp Juice. All right. Your mama know about this shit right here? No, about what? I don't even. This stuff is not even a part of the show. Like I don't even know what this is. This is My Hero Academia. We're talking about high schoolers who are 15 years old. I don't know what this is, Dad. I don't. Bad timing. That's all it was. It was just bad timing. So basically, what you're telling me is she don't know about this. I mean, no, I guess not. Shit. Turn that thing right back on. All right. Watch it with you then. We need to get you a new lock on that door. I do need a lock on that door.